first program you'd ever want to write in any programming language is usually a Hello World program. This program doesn't really do anything except one line of code. It outputs Hello World in some manner. We're going to write a Hello World in Java. So I've installed the Java development kit from the Oracle website, and I've also installed Eclipse, the development environment. So this is Eclipse run up for the first time. We click on the icon to go to the workbench, and now we'll create a Java project. We'll call this project Part 1 because it's the first part of a series of videos on how to use Java. We'll call the project Hello World and finish. If we open up this project, we should see that there's a source directory. We right click on the source directory, we'll add a new class. Now everything in Java is done from classes and objects, and usually there's a main class in the project. We'll talk more about what a class is later, but for now we just need to know that there's a main class, and we'll call our main class Hello World. Now when we're naming classes, it's usual to start with a capital letter and also start each word with a capital letter. So Hello World, I've put a capital H and a capital W. You don't have to do that, but it's just standard Java practice and it's useful to stick to conventions. And in our Hello World class, we'll write a main method. Now, when a Java program runs, the first thing it does is it runs the main method in the main class. So our project consists of one class, Hello World, which would be the main class. Now we'll write the main method. And this takes a particular form, and you don't need to worry about what any of this means because we'll go through it all later. Public static void main string open and close square brackets and args. This is everything that goes in between the opening curly bracket and the closed curly bracket here is the main method, and we just want to write a very simple bit of code which will output Hello World, and so that we can check that we can install and run or we can compile and run a Java program. So the standard Hello World in Java is to write system.out.println, which is print line, and then in quotes we put Hello World. The one thing to know about Java is it is case sensitive, so we have to make sure we put the capital S on system and that everything else is on lowercase. Now if we right click on our Hello World Java and run as a Java application, it's just asking us if we want to save it before we run it, which we could say okay, we do. And in this window down here, this is a console window, which is the main output window for our program. And there's the word Hello World, the words Hello World. So there we've compiled our program and run it, and that's our first Java program. So we can be confident that we've got the environment set up right, the Java compiler's working, and we can run a program and do something more interesting. Thanks for watching.